Integration in logical learning.
Human reproductive system. Now, what is reproduction? Reproduction means to reproduce. It is a biological process by which an organism reproduces an offspring who is biologically similar to the organism. Reproduction enables and ensures the continuity of species generation after generation. It is the main feature of life on Earth. Every living being on this earth reproduces. Here is a picture of reproduction given below. Now we will be talking about the male reproductive system. The male has reproductive organs or genitals that are both inside and outside the pelvis. The male genitals include the testicles, the duct system which is made up of epididymis and the vas deferens. The axillary glands which include the seminal vesicles and the prostate gland and the penis as well. In a guy who has reached the sexual maturity, the two oval-shaped testicles or testes make and store millions of tiny sperm cells. Now the testicles are also a part of the endocrine system because they make hormones including the testosterone. Testosterone is a major part of the puberty in guys. As a guy makes his way through puberty, his testicles produce more and more of it. Testosterone is the hormone that causes the boys to develop deeper voices, bigger muscles, and body and facial hair. It also stimulates the production of sperm. Now the penis and the urethra are a part of the urinary and the reproductive system. The scrotum, testes, testicles, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles and the prostate comprise the rest of the reproductive system. A diagram of the male reproductive system is given here below. Now we will learn about the parts of the male reproductive system in brief. Penis. The penis consists of the root, the visible part of the shaft, and the glans penis. The opening of the urethra is located at the tip of the glans penis. Now the base of the glans penis is called the corona, and in circumcised males, the foreskin prepuce extends from the corona to cover the glans penis. Now what is scrotum? The scrotum is the thick skin sac that surrounds and protects the testes. The scrotum also acts as a climate control system. The cremaster muscles in the wall of the scrotum relax to allow the testes to hang. Testes are actually oval bodies. Usually, the left testis hangs slightly lower than the right one. The testis has two primary functions: producing sperm, which carries the man's genes, and producing testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. Now the urethra. The urethra serves a dual function in males. This channel helps to transport the urine from the bladder and the part of the reproductive system through which the semen is ejaculated. The prostate lies under the bladder and surrounds the urethra. Walnut-sized in young men, the prostate enlarges with age. The epididymis. The epididymis consists of a single coiled microscopic tube. The epididymis collects the sperm from the testes and provides the environment for sperm to mature and acquire the ability to move through the female reproductive system and fertilize an ovum. One epididymis lies against each testis. Now what is vas deferens? The vas deferens is a firm tube the size of a strand of a spaghetti that transports the sperm from the epididymis. One such duct travels from each epididymis to the back of the prostate and joins with one of the two seminal vesicles. Now you must be thinking, what are seminal vesicles? The seminal vesicles are located above the prostate, as you can see from the picture, and it joins with the vas deferens to form the ejaculatory ducts which travel through the prostate. These are all the biological terms that you need to remember and memorize to do well in your exams. Now, what are female reproductive system? The main external structures of the female reproductive system includes the labia majora. The labia majora encloses and protects the other external reproductive organs. The labia minora is the one that lies just inside the labia majora, and it surrounds the openings to the vagina. Now, what is Bartholin's glands? These glands are actually located next to the vaginal opening on each side and produce a fluid mucus secretion. Clitoris. The two labia minora meet at the clitoris, a small sensitive protrusion that is comparable to the penis in the males. The internal reproductive organs include vagina and the uterus. Vagina is a canal that joins the cervix to the outside of the body. It is also known as the birth canal. And what is uterus? The uterus is a hollow, pear-shaped organ that is the home to a developing fetus. A diagram of both the female reproductive system as well as the male reproductive system is given here. You need to go through this, and if there are any queries, you can ask them us in the next session. Now we haven't discussed ovaries and fallopian tubes, so let us discuss them as well. The ovaries are small oval-shaped glands that are located in either side of the uterus. As you can see, a picture of the female reproductive system is already listed here in brief. And what are fallopian tubes? These are the narrow tubes that are attached to the upper part of the uterus and serves as pathways for the ova or the egg cells to travel from the ovaries to the uterus. Thank you for watching this video.